Yeah, this is how we have the map. You can, I mean, this is the key and this is the value, and this is the key, this is the value. So you're inserting, I mean, key value pairs we will call as key value pairs. Then while getting the values, you get map dot get of employee name. If you say employee name, then you'll get the value Ramesh. Map dot get of employee ID, you'll get 12. Map dot get of department, you'll get this one. Okay, so let me just see the syntax of uh, the value from hash map in Java. Suppose if I run this, so it'll set key department and value some department, key employee ID, value 12, and key employee name and value Ramesh. So I mean, so this is the syntax to get the values from the map entry. And what are those key value types? Just give any name and map object. And what is your map? Map dot entry set. Okay, and this you, I mean, you don't need to remember because you will get it anyway in the internet. But just to understand, like, entry set is the method which it will take the entry, and entry dot get key is the method, you will get the key. Get value is the method, you will get the corresponding value. Okay, so this is how you declare the values to the map. I mean, you insert the values to the map in terms of key and value pairs, and you will get key using the get key, you get the value using the get value method. And this is the for loop to iterate the your map. Okay, um, and also there is another way where you can also display your values. Map cannot convert from element type object to string. See what it will display. There is another way where you can get the values from the map using um using set. See what they're saying, they're converting that map to set and displaying the values from set. I mean, object key, these keys will have all the values. So key is the key, map dot get of key. Get of key, you'll, I mean, get of key in the sense get of these are the keys, right? Get of employee name, get of employee ID, get of department. So I mean, this is one way where you will display the values from the map using the key and get of key, because here there are two methods, right? Get key will give the key, get value will give the value, but you can also get the value from the key. So that is this one, get of key. So you will get value. I mean, just different ways of uh, getting, I mean, retrieving the values from the map, but at the end it's the same, it will display. I mean, you'll anyway get the key and the value. So this map, mainly we use the map to store the data, okay, into the web pages in real time, right? So suppose let me show you the this one. Uh, this is the site that we are planning to automate, right? Automation practice is the one. We'll automate this. Maybe tomorrow also we'll have on the Java class, and from day after tomorrow mostly we'll start the automation, Selenium automation. Okay. So here, while creating an account, you have to give, basically you are going to sign in. Okay. So it's a little slow. Suppose your requirement is to create an account to register. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to click sign in and give the mail ID which is already not registered. So it will display. So you have to give all these values, right? First name, last name, and mail ID, password, and several things. So what you do, so these data you will not put in the code for easy maintenance, or maybe for understanding of the code. This we call as a test data, the data which you are giving to test your functionality, create an account functionality. Okay. So here you'll be giving multiple test data. Okay. First name, sometimes you will give first name with the special characters and see it is allowing or not. Sometimes you will give first name with the only the strings and see it is allowing or not. Sometimes you will give a combination of strings and integers, it should allow. So all this different kind of test data which you will be giving and testing your personal, I mean, this create an account page. Okay. First name should allow whatever the values you give it, basically. It can have like this. Okay. So the reason why you might need to have different kind of test data to test this create an account. So what you do, so you go to, I mean, you maintain those test data in some Excel sheet, some file, some Excel file, or some external file you will maintain. Okay. And how you write in your code, you store all the data in your map, some map. You create a map. Okay. And you map dot put of what you put, uh, first name, comma, so as an example. Okay. And
Sorry.
last name. Yeah, I'll end the class in 5 minutes.
I'm sorry.
No, no problem. Okay, take something. Uh, when you come to this page, when you are entering the values to here, what you will do, you'll just say map dot get of first name. So it will get that first name, and it will, I mean, we'll have that in future class, but the real use of hash map is to get, I mean, insert the test data and use the test data in your application. Okay. So you maintain the data in Excel file. So what you do, you read all the data in Excel file and you keep in a map. And wherever you go inside your application, you use that map to get the values using the keys. Get of first name, it will always give you the first name. Get of last name, it will give the last name. I mean, you'll see that later, but uh, the real use of hash map is mainly to store the data and to retrieve the data and insert in your web application. I mean, these all different kind of test data you will maintain in some files. You get the data, insert into map, and use in the application. Okay.
Excuse me, this is Sailaja.
Yeah, Selenium.
Um, we have to write the map in which where you have to store the map. Just now you said.
I mean, we'll store the values to the map.
Okay. Actually, where we'll write this map coding and everything.
Yeah, we'll be writing this. I mean, in Java classes, like how I am writing, you'll be like writing like this only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and while you're automating your suppose if you're automating this application, when you come to this page, then you say map dot get of first name.
Mm-hmm.
So you get the value and you enter it here using the automation script. But I'll show you that in the next upcoming classes. You'll be getting the values from the map and you'll be inserting it here using the automation script. Yeah, that you will see, but the use of map is like all this data you will be getting from the map and inserting it here, because we'll be having different kind of test data. You cannot hard code the data. You should not hard code in the coding. Okay, the data you have to maintain in some files and you have to use in your application. But we'll see that now. Right now it will be confused. So all you should know here is that how do we declare the map, how do we put the values to the map, how do we get the values from the map, that's all. But how we use, where we use, that we'll see when we are automating the application. When we are automating this web application, you will see that all. But before that, you should know what is map, how to insert the values to the map, and how to retrieve the values from the map. That's all. But the actual use you will see while automating this application.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes. Yes.
In the same way, we have list and string, whatever we say, whatever the topics we have covered. So you should understand. I mean, when I am directly automating, if I directly go and just insert into the map and get the values, you might yeah, get some confusion. So I just wanted to want you guys know what is map and what is list and what is other kind of things we have. Then we'll see the real use while doing automation. Okay. I think that's, yeah, we'll end the class here for today. I'll send the recording videos. So the other thing is like it's good to, I mean, maybe if you're not done already, spend some time in the weekend and try to install this Eclipse and Java. When you install this Eclipse and Java, okay, uh, while you are doing practicing, you should, I mean, uh, you can also do some practice. You can ask the questions, or maybe when I give this entire Selenium automation framework, so you should take that and you should put in your Eclipse, right, so that you can refer it. So at least for that sake, you have to have Eclipse and Java installed in your system, so that you can even practice whenever you need, whenever you get some time. But the basic thing is, before this session, I mean, um, this course, before ending this course, you should have Eclipse and you should have Java. You should be able to run something. I mean, you should be able to code something and able to execute it. Once you are able to do that, then you will be having all this code in your you can also always refer and you can practice. Even after that, you can ask me the questions anytime in WhatsApp, even after the course. Okay, that will support. But the basic expectations which I'll be uh, expecting is that you have to have Eclipse and Java installed and running. So please get some time and try to install Eclipse and Java at least this weekend. So from next week, you can just do some basic exercises. And because if you, I mean, see, I might do the sign in, but I'll ask you to um, go to the sign in page, click the sign in page, and enter the already registered email ID and password, and click on login. See, so you should be able to enter the values in these two and click on sign in button. But before that, I'll give you all the functionalities. But yeah, for the exercise purpose, when I'm giving some basic exercise, you should have Eclipse and Java, right? So that's what I'm expecting. Okay. Any questions, any doubts, any clarifications you need? Shall we end the class then?
Yeah.
Very silent.
I said, yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think you must be tired. So okay, let's take the break. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay. Maybe tomorrow I
Mhm.
have some appointment with the school teacher.
Okay.
So can you send the recording tomorrow?
Sure. Recording I'll be sending. But if 2 or 3 are not available, then we can also postpone the class. But just ping in the group. I'll add Savita as well. Okay.
Did you add in the group? I did not get any notification.
You are there in the group. Okay, let me
I
just.
mean, did you create a group?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay. I don't
Even
know.
Sailaja has replied, and your number is even I have added your number.
I mean, I should have got some notification on WhatsApp. I did not get any.
Oh, why is that? Because I see the messages even from Sailaja.
I am not there.
Oh, why you are not there? Because I see, maybe I have. Oh, maybe I have not added this. Added some. Sorry, I think
Okay.
I added, but it's not your number. Somebody else I have added. I don't know. Okay, I'll add your number. Okay. Yeah. I see that. I added some other number as your name. Under your name.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I'll add you and Savita now. And yeah, sorry for that.
It's all right.
Thanks for letting me know.
Is there
Sure.
is
Sorry?
there class on Saturday? Is there any class on Saturday?
No, I mean it's all up to you guys. Okay, I'm fine to have, but it's up to you. I mean, if you say you're occupied with something, or if you're free, just it's fine to have the class. We'll have. Otherwise, I mean, it's all like how we coordinate. So, I mean, if you want to change the timings, also that is fine. How do you want it? Okay. So it's not like it's very strict and have to have the class in these timings, not like that. But it's all like yeah, comfortable level. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Everyone is EST zone only. Vinaya and Savita also.
Yeah, I'm on EST.
No, I am in CST.
Okay. If EST 1 o'clock class, is it okay for you? EST 1 o'clock.
Afternoon one.
afternoon one instead of 11:30.
Yeah, that's fine for me.
Afternoon
right.
one.
Okay.
What will be the
But
highest?
it would be difficult for him.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, he's in India, right?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking about.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, it's too late for you.
Yeah.
11:30 works fine for me. Even if it is a little bit early, like 10:30 is also, it's fine for me.
Yeah, it's okay for me if it is 10:30.
Okay.
Is it
8:30.
okay for
10:30
you?
means it's mine 8:30, right? 8:30.
No, when it is 10:30 for us, it's 8 o'clock for you.
Oh, 8 o'clock. Okay. 8 to 9.
That's 8 p.m. for you.
Yeah, should be okay. I'll let you know. Let you know, guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
I will,
I might have
if it is
some
11
meeting.
o'clock is also,
Mhm.
if it is 11 o'clock also, it's okay for me instead of 11:30.
Okay. Okay. Sure. We'll see.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Right,
Yeah.
Bye.
right now.
Bye.
Yeah.
everyone.
Bye. Bye. Everyone.
Okay.